Hey my loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Kishra Shrima, and in today's video we're going to talk all about hair steaming and the benefits that it has for your natural hair. So I'm starting off this video with showing you my two favorite hair steamers from Amazon, and the brand is called Easy Basic. These have been game changers for me, and I had them for about 3 to 4 years now, so they're tried and true. So first up we have the Easy Basic facial steamer. This was actually my first hair steamer ever, and it was super affordable, around $20. I started using this to steam both my hair and face. It's easy to use, and even though it's not the most expensive, it works wonders. Then after I saved up a bit more, I splurged on the Easy Basic 2-in-1 hair and facial steamer, and it's by far my favorite. It runs for about $8, but trust me, it's worth every penny. I've been using both steamers for years, and they're still in great condition, so these are definitely long-term investments. So let's start by showing you how I use both of these. They're pretty straightforward. You just add water to the container. For the facial steamer, I simply fill the reservoir with distilled water, and you just turn it on. It takes a few minutes to heat up, and then you're ready to go. Now let me show you a little bit more about the 2-in-1 hair and facial steamer. This one is super versatile. It actually comes with 2 attachments. So there's a long nozzle attachment, which I primarily use for steaming my face, but when my hair was longer, I also used the nozzle to steam the length of my hair. It's perfect for getting that gentle all over steam that helps with hydration and softness. Then there's the hooded attachment, which is my go-to for steaming the roots of my hair. This hooded cap is great for getting the steam closer to my scalp, where I can really feel it penetrating my pores and helping my conditioner penetrate more deeply. It's also perfect for when I want that deep hydration from root to tip, especially when my scalp needs that extra TLC. The beauty of this steamer is how customizable it is. Whether you want to focus on your hair, your face, or both, you have the option to switch things up depending on your needs. So for now, I'll play some music so you can see how I use my 2-in-1 hair and facial steamer, and how to attach and reattach the both attachments that come with the 2-in-1 hair and facial steamer. But make sure to stay tuned, because later on in the video I'm showing you DIY Hibiscus Deep Conditioner that I love using on my hair for when steaming. So I hope you're still here with me, because it's DIY time. For today's deep conditioner, I'm doing a DIY Hibiscus Deep Conditioner treatment. You guys know I love mixing up my own hair treatments, and today's own is very special because we're using hibiscus, which is one of my favorites. So to make this DIY, you'll need hibiscus powder, distilled water, or in my case, I'm using my DIY fenugreek hair mist, which I'll definitely link in the description. If you want to check that out, it'll be down there in the description box. And make sure to use a conditioner that makes your hair feel soft and hydrated. So for today's conditioner, I'm using the Sunny Isles Jamaican Black Castor Oil Deep Conditioner. It's definitely one of my favorites. You guys have seen me use this conditioner over and over again. So I start by adding the hibiscus powder into a heat-safe glass bowl, and then I pour in my fenugreek mist, followed by the conditioner. I mix it all together, and to really get everything whipped up, I use my hair care blender to get that creamy smooth texture. This is actually my favorite part because it's so satisfying to see how everything comes together. It's just this luscious whipped deep conditioner. So hibiscus is packed with antioxidants and vitamins that help promote hair growth, prevent hair thinning, and keep your scalp scalp healthy. It also has a natural acidity that balances your scalp's pH, which helps to prevent dandruff and other scalp issues. I've talked about my fenugreek hair mist in my previous video, and if you haven't seen it yet, definitely check it out. Fenugreek is amazing for reducing hair fall, strengthening your hair, and adding a shine. It's definitely an age-old remedy, and it works wonders for your curls. And of course, we can't forget about the Jamaican black castor oil. This stuff is packed with fatty acids that help nourish the scalp and promote thicker, healthier hair. It's also great for sealing in moisture, which is exactly what we need to keep our hair hydrated and shiny. So now that you know about my two favorite hair steamers, let me get to steaming. So of course, before that, I'm going to apply my DIY hibiscus conditioner. It's super easy to make. You just follow the simple steps. Of course, you saw me use my hibiscus powder, my DIY hair mist, and whatever conditioner you have that you like how it feels on your hair. And you just combine those two. I usually hand mix, but it takes a long time, so you can also use your blender like you saw me do. So let's apply this to our hair right now. So let's talk about why I feel steaming is so important. So for me, I found that steaming is amazing at opening your hair's cuticles, allowing the deep conditioner to really penetrate your hair strands and work its magic. When your hair is properly hydrated, it's more elastic, so it's less prone to breakage and just looks so much healthier overall. And let's not forget how relaxing and therapeutic it is. Steaming not only helps your hair thrive, but it also helps you unwind and de-stress. Steaming has honestly been a game changer for me and my natural hair. I know a lot of people use steaming from their showers, but I personally love the way this method works. It just feels more intentional and calming, plus the results speak for itself. If you've been thinking about investing in a hair steamer, I highly recommend it. It's an easy way to boost your hair care routine and give your hair the love and moisture it deserves. And also thank you to the OG Natural 85 for putting us all on to the world of hair steaming. I honestly don't know where I'll be without it. So now that my hair is fully coated, I'm going to grab my Easy Basic 2-in-1 Hair and Facial Steamer to steam my hair. You don't need to cover your hair. You want the steam to actually penetrate to your hair strands and your scalp. So I wouldn't be covering my hair for this session. Now, if I was using a hooded dryer, then I would go ahead and cover my hair with my shower cap or your plastic bag. Alright you guys, that's how I steam my natural hair, my favorite hair steamers, the benefits of hair steaming. And I hope this video was very informative and helpful to anyone wanting to know the benefits of hair steaming and if you should invest in a hair steamer. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video.